Hi everybody, Helen here from Elite Events and Consultancy, and I just wanted to do a shout out for Ben Hemp of the File Genie. So I have known Ben now for probably 5 years, and he's absolutely my go-to guy for moving stuff technically, and because I'm a bit of a dinosaur. But what I loved about him recently was I had a very old iPhone and I needed to upgrade it to fly to the States because I knew my old iPhone wasn't just going to make it. But I was so worried about losing photos of a precious loved one that was no longer with us. And he came into the office and just very, very calmly moved everything from one phone to the other. Most of you will think, well, that's not a big deal, you can do that yourself. But I just was so scared, and he just made everything okay. He came at a time that was convenient. He stayed with me as long as needed to make it all happen. He checked everything thoroughly, and just generally, I mean, he's just a really great guy. I mean, most of you know that anyway, but just to be able to bring that comfort and that peace of mind to what was a stressful situation, I was just so thankful. So if you have any techie queries, your laptop isn't working, your iPad's frozen, your kids have dropped it down the toilet, you don't know how to do something, you definitely need to give him a call. He is fabulous.